Hi, and thank you for choosing Terry's Service Center. In this video, we'll walk you through how to access your after-hours key locker. Once your advisor has received payment, they'll assign you a locker to securely store your keys until you're able to pick up your vehicle. Our after-hours locker system has 4 rows with 4 lockers each, and your advisor will provide both the locker number and a 3-digit code to unlock it. Here's how it works. Go to the locker number your advisor gave you. Enter the 3-digit combination on the lock. Turn the knob to the unlock position. Open the door to retrieve your keys and invoice. It's that easy. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call our team at 615-352-8434. Thanks again for choosing Terry's. We're always here to help.